JJ. JJ.
Bro, I don't know where Jay's at, bro. Last time I seen him, he was sucking dick in the rectal. Nah, he's with his mom.
I can get money.
Oh, snap. Nice. It's badass, dude.
Grandpa, tell him it's too cold for all this, right, Grandpa?
What the heck? It's good. I've only had it since 3. Cause it's not gonna rain today or tomorrow, so I took it off.
Is it hard? Or take it off?
The only thing that was hard was the doors. They're all rusted or something. Bunch of shit on it. So the doors were wild.
Where's JJ? Where's Joseph? Joseph with his dad.
Yeah, you know. Buy us tacos. So we can drive it. Cause I don't want to drive for no reason.
You have money? I don't have no money.
I'm asking you.
Oh, I'm about to go eat.
Huh?
I'm about to go eat.
Where?
Wings.
Well, who?
My parents.
Oh, wow.
Boy, I've been winning wings since I was 10.
What? I'm the only recorder around here, alright? Better put it down now.
What do you mean bring it tomorrow? Where you going on, Jim?
Huh?
What you gonna do this? Where are you going?
Right now we're in my Jeep because I took up the doors.
You're taking me for a ride.
So
Ahorita venimos.
Alright, Dad.
You take the doors off.
Yeah, I'll call you back right now. Bye. Hey, but do you want me to go to your house? Straight to your house? Feels cool, huh?
Yeah, and I just took a shower. I'm gonna get sick.
Mm-hmm.
Baba, be careful.
Extra income, be nice.
Damn, after you fucking go through money like with food, dude.
Well,
What?
well,
Give me the truth. What the hell you did? What you do?
okay. $10 was for yesterday. I spent $5 this morning. It's for breakfast.
Damn.
Because he doesn't want to get up and eat at the house.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, anyways, did you get the other 50? Did you get the other 50?
Watch me reverse all the dicks. You got a bad bitch. We live in lavish. I get expensive fabrics. I got expensive habits. You wanna allow it? It lets her out.
Alright guys, right now I'm gonna be trading rims with my dad. Black rims with mine for like almost a week, I think, or a couple of days. And yeah. Alright, we got 3 of them on. The back side over here, the tires, one of the lug nuts is stuck. Looks nice. Alright, we got him on.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool.
Don't put it on the floor. You're gonna scratch it, man. That's why I told you not to touch it. Damn, dude. Shut up. Oh, listen. You're gonna drop it. And you're gonna mess up all that shit. You're not even ready.
You're slow.
I don't even have
You're
the
slow. You're slow. Come on, look. He's still playing with the light. I'm gonna take care of the steam. Get was busted.